bank amazing profit today. We had amazing volatility, and most of my traders make a crazy pips. All of my traders made 450 plus pips just trading, and not even one losing trade. That was amazing. Let me share with you guys how we manage it through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar card, and then I'll explain to you how he managed to bank more than 450 pips, my trader. Okay, so if you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were expecting the nice big move if the price gonna stay, but we have at the market open, we have the short trade here, we also had a long trade here, we also had a short trade here, we also had a long trade here. So we have both, because I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We manage few PPs very nicely with a valid technical reason. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, then you can easily find if that makes sense to you or not. All right, so at the market open, you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. Look for pullback. As you can see, the market downside channel, we have this breakout as mentioned here at the market open, and just before London open, I said to guys, just bank some profit, let's see what's going to happen. All right, after that, as always, after the breakout, we have pullback, which is nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price respect the previous low at this level, and explain to matter, let's see, it looks like the price might going to develop, so look for this breakout, and that's what I did analysis. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We had a long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level at this level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, right? And then afterwards, I did another analysis after the breakout. As always, look for pullback, which price nicely developed pullback. And as soon as the price hit this level, which I was watching this one, I said to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for this breakout. Once we bank some profit, I broadcast, because we're watching those market in real time, and I broadcast that analysis instantly. As you can see here, we have then what happened after that. Price developed a double top here at this level, so we have breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So once we bank some profit, I updated analysis instantly. Say guys, if the price is gonna break the previous low, as you can see here, I also mentioned these points. I say guys, these levels, basically, if the price gonna break, short trade here, or do I look for pullback? If not, if the price gonna break this previous high, this level, and after the breakout, if the price is going to retest, which we announced through live ID commentary, and beautiful retest and long trade here. So guys, you can see this is purely price action trading, not rocket science, based on the 4 hour, how we analyze market. Now the situation is very interesting. So we're looking here, this breakout, if the price gonna break, you can see here we have this breakout, then I'm expecting a long trade here. Otherwise, we can see here price still hovering between support and resistance. All right guys, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had an amazing trade. Now we put the pound dollar. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at this morning, we were short at the market open, and we were expecting to be on a short here, bank some profit. We had a long trade here, and as soon as the price respected here, we have also taken a pullback short trade here, all pullback short trade. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. Entries and exit is very important, and that's what we do. Okay, so this at the market open, I explained to my look for this breakout, price nicely broken, and explain, keep taking all these pullbacks, very beautiful pips at the short trade here. And afterwards, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback at the London morning session, just before London open. We have another beautiful trade here. And as soon as the price hit this level, because we're watching this level, so as soon as the price respected, I said, tighten your stop loss. And let's see. And if after that, the market reverse, and now I explained to my trader, look for these levels. If the price gonna break the previous low, all right, or if the price gonna break this level, then we're taking out. You can see here, price nicely respected previous high, broken this one. This is completely wedge. You can see here, breakout, and bank another beautiful pips. Once we bank some profit, as you can see here, as soon as the market reverse, develop a false breakout. We were expecting might gonna continue, but that's what I explained to my trader. This is the high still, valid because the previously respected price, or now we have this low because technically price should respect here, right? But did not, and broken. So we're expecting, I say there's a still possibility, pull back long here, pull back short trade. Safest way, look for this level if the price gonna break, and that's what happened here. So price nicely broken, and afterwards you can see here price even broken and retest, give us a confirmation. Then I said to guys, now momentum is developed bearish, we have this confirmation, just enjoying it all pullback. So we announced this pullback, this pullback. So we had amazing trades, bank beautiful pips, right? And dollar CAD, we had amazing trade too, guys. If you look at the dollar CAD, and this morning you can see here price came back here and expecting here short trade here, short, continue short, but as you can see here price respected, and after the price broken and retest. So we can see here at the market open we have a long, and after the breakout long. So we have taken all this pullback, but there wasn't any pullback, but it's this impulsive move anyway. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. And if you look at here, you can see at the market open, first priority would be the pullback. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this previous high and retest, you can see here price broken, did not have any red candle. So after this breakout and a pullback, once the price developed pullback, I said to my guys, tighten your stop loss. Let's see, because still there's a possibility price might going to reverse. And then price came back. Then I explained to my trader, now we have this high, it's been developed, this level. I say guys, as long as the price stay above this level, there's a still possibility of reversal. But if the price gonna break, then expecting a continuation. And if the price gonna break this previous high, exactly like pound dollar, so then we're gonna be taking a long trade here. At the New York session, we have this breakout because the momentum was bullish. And I said to my guys, keep holding it until we see the profit target. The profit target was the previous high. As you can see here, we have this one is the weekly resistance line. You can see here, as soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader, enjoying pipping guys. So we have amazing trade on dollar CAD. Right now, as you can see, one of my traders bank 458 pips, guys. You can see here. And now I'm going to explain to you how he did it. You can see it, not even one losing continuously. And could that be possible? Yes. With our system, yes. Let me explain to you how. Right? You can see mainly euro yen, pound yen. Yeah, mainly euro yen, pound yen. You can see a pound yen short, short, and euro yen long, 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 and short. Or how that can be possible. Now I'm going to share to you one of the trade here. If you look at the euro yen, we have this breakout, right? And after this breakout, this morning again at the market open, we have this is impulsive move, you can see here. And then London morning, we have this impulsive move. Explain to my trader, take all pullbacks. It's taken all these pullbacks. As soon as the price hit to the weekly resistance level, we have short pattern, keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we keep taking it, banking some pips. As you can see, all of them, and all of these trades are based off the 100% on the analysis which I broadcasted here. You can see here. So this morning at the New Asian session, explain to my trader, look for this breakout. You can see here sideways, market broken. So hit this profit target. Yeah. Bank some 10-15 pips, take another long here, bank another pips, take another long here, picks, take long here, pips here, you know, keep taking it. And after that, the London morning session, we have this pattern develop. As you can see here, this there. 4 hour and intraday, this level. We will keep banking, and afterwards breakout, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Because this system allow us to take a pullbacks. So once the target hit, as you can see here, bank some profit. As soon as the impulsive reversal, I said to guys, don't jump into it, wait for the reversal, wait for the retest. I said, look for this pullback here or this level, and that's what I explained. Look for pullback here. What happened here? Pullback, bank some profit, right? Bank some profit, another pullback, bank some profit. As soon as the price come back here, I explained to my trader, now we have another pattern is developed, which is I broadcast that information instantly here, which is broken. As always, after the breakout, one pull, bank some profit, take pullback, bank some profit, take pullback, bank some profit. And that's what exactly he been doing it, you know. And you can see the euro yen breakout, pullback, pullback. This is the counter when the price developed, head and shoulder inverted pattern. This is counter long trade here. Afterwards, keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, he has taken all of them, all the trades. You can see here 20 pips long, like here, pull breakout long trade here. You can see here all of them. You can see here this one again, based on the analysis. That's what I mentioned, based on the breakout. Beautiful trade, guys. You can see he's keep banking 458 pips, not even one losing trade, guys. But that doesn't happen every day. It's all based on the market movement, because today, this week is basically technically is the last week of the month, and this is the end of the quarter first, and that's why you can see this volatility in the market. So moving forward, probably we're going to see the short opportunities on the pound yen and all the yen pair. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. If you would like to make this crazy pips every single day, first of all, you should be watching those analysis. First of all, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform we have developed, dedicated, designed for the education, to train people with the live market and to practice with the live market and get the feedback in real time and develop your trading skill in real time. That's the key element. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency results, not like these crazy pips, but at least consistency pips, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I help and trade my trader with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. I have a very limited place, so most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.